Let me show you how we can use and activate Gemini on Redmi Note 15 Pro and 15 Pro Plus. We have actually a couple of ways that allow you to start using Gemini. For example, one of the most basic things that you can do is simply open the Gemini app that you can find in the app drawer or maybe even on the home screen. There we go. So it looks more or less like this. Of course, you can just start typing to Gemini to get some answers. You can also use the microphone. You can press this plus button in order to attach some files and so on and so forth. And here we also have this button in the bottom right corner that allows you to have a proper conversation with the Gemini, where you can also use, for example, your camera in order to show something to the Gemini and so on and so forth. So definitely also worth checking out. Besides that, we can also use the power button. At least by default, you can press and hold the power button for like half a second in order to activate Gemini. And here we also have like a quick access to Gemini, and you can try to get some information. We have different buttons at the bottom of here as well, just like in the main app. Also, if this press and hold shortcut doesn't work for you for the power button, then once you open settings, you want to go to additional settings, and then over here open the gesture shortcuts, where you can find the launch digital assistant, which of course should be enabled if you wanted to use that. Now, besides that, we can also go to, let me actually go back, we can also go to the home screen settings, and let me quickly switch to gestures. If you use gestures for navigation, you can perform the following gesture. You can swipe from the bottom left or bottom right corner inwards, just like that, and this also allows you to quickly activate Gemini on your phone. And of course, we also have widgets. You can add a Gemini widget to the home screen in order to have a quicker access. So if you press and hold your finger on an empty space, then we can go to widgets in here, and then we're gonna choose Android widgets. There we go. And now we should be able to search for Gemini. There we go. And we have this 2x2 widget, which we can add to the home screen anywhere we wish it to be placed. We can easily add it just like that. And of course, if you want to, you can also adjust its size to make it slightly bigger. So you can quickly use Gemini by using one of these buttons in here from the widget. And that is pretty much it. This is how we can use Gemini on Redmi Note 15 Pro and 15 Pro Plus. Subscribe to my channel.